Solus, what's going on? Alright, let's get everything set up here. On KODK, Grisman. Today. What's going on, Joel? Solus. Sometimes. Not really, though. It's not really how my brain works, I guess. Just getting everything set up here at minus 60k. There you are. What's going on, David Brett? What's going on, Sean White? What's going on, SB? Okay, I'm live going over today's trading day. What's going on, Sammy Rock? Hopefully you guys had a great trading day. Definitely some opportunities out there. Nothing that I could catch a hold of, though. Kind of very rocky day for me. Felt like I just couldn't get anything going. I'm live going over today's 16K red day. Cool, there's that. What's going on? Navi, the hide. Alright, let me post this on social media quick and then we'll be ready to go. What's going on, Alan? What's going on, guys? What's going on, Zox TV Network? Big C was a good one today. What's going on, Mike? What's going on, the Hi Daniel? Join my chat room, the Hi Daniel. Overnight ideas have been awesome. You're welcome, Alan. Don't thank me. You're the one taking advantage of them. You're the one making the trades. PPSI is another one. What's going on, Noah? What's going on, 2007? Chicago, Eisenach. What's going on? What's going on, Deep? What's going on, Ryan? What's going on, Bali? Mohammed, what's going on? Let me just add this and we're good to go here. Select from library. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Put that right there. Choose. What's going on, KDB? Adam Bearfield. What's going on, Adam Rickett? Alright, cool, we're live. Alright, guys, yeah, a little bit of overtrading. What's going on, Melanie, Rickett? Oh, Adam and Melanie, there you go. Steven, aka Brad, what's going on? Yeah, you can mailbox me chocolates. I'll never say no to chocolates, man. If you want to give me chocolates, you're more than welcome. I'll never say no to that. I'll give you my P.O. box to send it to you. What's going on, Nick Lawson? What's going on, Alan? Good to have you on again. What's going on, Mitchell Meyer? My P.O. box is down here. There's my P.O. box right there. What's going on, Runkin Singh? What's going on, TikTok? Kyle, Holly, getting everybody trickle on in here. Good to have you guys in. Good to have you guys on. What's going on, Dan? What's going on, Toxic Clapper 55? What's going on, Heartless Haley? What's going on, User? Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man on YouTube. Again, Cam the Man on YouTube. You get to see my screen share. If you guys want to send me chocolates, feel free. My P.O. box is right there. I'll never say no to chocolates. Appreciate that, Muhammad. What's going on, TikTok? Join me on YouTube, Cam the Man on YouTube. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube, Cam the Man on YouTube. Again, Cam the Man on YouTube. What's going on, Rip Rora? SRNE, yep, that was a nice little one. What's going on? Instagram. Alright, guys, so today was definitely a red day nonetheless. What's going on, Dylan? Good to have you on, man. Today was definitely a red day, and that's just trading. Those of you guys want to send me, oh, Muhammad, there's P.O. box. That's my P.O. box right there for you guys. SRNE hit 9? What? Is that true? Jeez Louise, what's going on with SRNE? Wow. Hope you guys are banking on SRNE, guys. We had that overnight idea in the room at $8.25.5. It's now up to $9. Hopefully you guys are banking on that one, SRNE. Hopefully you guys are banking on SRNE. We had the overnight idea in the chat room. Links in the bio. Doesn't matter what social media platform you're on. You'll see it in my bio. Interested in receiving my overnight ideas. 909. Wow, it's really running. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started today. What's going on, Marie? What's going on, Marty? Let's go over today's trading day, because that's why you guys are here. Good to have you guys on TikTok. Good to have you guys on Instagram Live. So today was a very up and down day. Now I want to walk you through my day. Okay. You know, today was a very, you know, it was a fight all day. It wasn't just an easy, smooth day. It was a fight all day. I felt it all day long. It wasn't just like I got on. Go Hawks, yep. It wasn't just like I got on today and things were rolling. I got on today and things were bumpy. I couldn't get a rhythm going. I couldn't feel comfortable. You know, I wasn't really getting into a position where I felt like, you know, I could be comfortable with where I was at in trading at that moment in time. You know, I was taking winners and losers in the morning, and then towards a couple of winner and losers, then I started to take too much size and basically pay for that. You know, when I was taking too much size, I was paying the price. What's going on, Smiley Chuckles? What's going on, MVR? What's going on, IOD? What's going on, I Got Good? Entry. 2007 Chicago. What was your entry on I Got Good entry on SRNE? What was your entry on SRNE? Yeah, so that's just trading though. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Again, Cam the Man on YouTube. TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man on YouTube. But yeah, I mean, you know, it's one of those things where it's not something that you like to see necessarily, you know, when you have red days, but I felt it from the beginning of the day. I felt like I was kind of off. I felt like I was kind of, you know, wishy-washy. I felt like I wasn't necessarily... 752, that's awesome. I felt like I wasn't on the ball to start the day, and I felt like today was, you know, not a very confident day for me. SRNE tapping 920. SRNE tapping 920, 923 now. SRNE making a nice move after hours. Hopefully you guys are banking on that overnight idea. SRNEs, we had the overnight idea at 823.4 range, and it's now up to 923 after hours, so it's making a nice little move. But again, guys, today was a red day for me, down about $16,000, and honestly, I'm not too upset with it. You know, this month is generally the slowest month out of the year, and you know, we're coming off a $185,000 day this week on Givo and a couple of other trades. So, you know, going into the week, I didn't ask for much more than that. You know, honestly, that's basically good for the week for me. But if I get some other winners, that's great. And I've kind of been up and down the rest of the week. You know, I've been trying to nail things to the upside, and haven't really been getting on that. And I've just been, you know, back and forth fighting. You know, on Friday, I had about a $9,000 red day. Monday, $11,000 green day. Today, $16,000 red day. So we're kind of up and down. CEO released a message to short sellers. So, wow, 950, guys. 950 it is up to. Wow, 955. What a move on SRNE, guys. You guys are seeing me take a live trade here. Currently short on SRNE right here. Let me open up my positions here 1 second. I'm short on SRNE right here with an average of 965. You guys just saw that. I'm currently short on SRNE with an average of 965. That type of move is insane. I don't know how the hell that happened. I'm gonna, if we get another push through, I'll probably add into that. That was an insane move to the upside. I don't know though. I mean, it's risky, definitely. I'm sorry guys, I'm just taking a trade right now. It's definitely risky, but I don't have a lot of risk on. I like where my average is at 965 there. You know, obviously looking to cover lower, but that was a huge move to the upside so rapidly that I just took that short. I had to take that short. Those of you guys saw that execution there. You guys can see on YouTube my live trades there. That kind of opportunity I'm not going to pass up. $9.43, $9.42. Alright guys, just like that, I locked in about $2,000 there on that short. Probably keeps going lower. My average cost basis on that one, where the heck was it? Sorry, I'm trying to get everything set up. I locked my 7,000 shares. I got, what the heck, what's this? Cancel all orders. This is hard to do when I'm live. Look at that, guys. I mean, it's still falling. SRNE 926, damn. SRNE covered there at 938, 925 now. I nailed that short on SRNE, guys. You guys saw me go short there live on SRNE. 917. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that dip. I knew that short was too good to be true. SRNE, I shorted there at 965 average. Those of you guys on YouTube saw that live. I won't always short, but I'm sorry I had to take that short. That short was too good to be true. We literally nailed the top on that stock on SRNE there. So now we're only down 14,000. Nice little green winner there. I got short on SRNE there. 965 was my average, so right there was my average. And I covered it at 938 right there, and we fell all the way as much as 916. No, yes, I shorted the S&P 1.1 million, and I made like 4,000 on it. I wasn't holding it, but anyways, guys, that was a nice little trade on SRNE there. So, you guys saw that live. Those of you guys who think how many times I gotta prove it to you? Yes, this is a real account. Yes, this is a live brokerage. You saw the shares go through on YouTube. That's like the first time I've traded live on YouTube. You guys always want me to trade live. Well, there you go. I felt like that was free money, and I couldn't pass that up. I know it wasn't a big size position. For whatever reason, my brokerage wasn't giving me bigger size. I could only get $66,000 short. But that's fine. Nonetheless, I nailed that on the top, and that's just the way I trade, guys. I mean, now we're down to 914. It could be up another 5. It could be up 5,000 right now, 6,000. How much is SRNE to short? I don't even know what I paid. I just had to take it. SRNE coming down under 910 there. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green candlesticks in a row to the upside on SRNE. I had to take that. Those of you guys who like to see me trade live, well, I just did one there. You know, I don't like to do that. I don't like to trade live because I don't want you guys piggybacking off of me. But you know, that is trading. And if I see free money like that, doesn't matter where I'm at, doesn't matter, you know, doesn't matter what happens, I'm going to take that trade live, and that's exactly what I just did. I took that trade live for you guys. So, haters always wanting proof. Well, there you go, haters, exactly. Those of you guys who want proof, well, refer them back to this video, and I can show you can show them that, yes, I do trade live. This is real money, and I just made about $2,000 back. Nothing huge. I was honestly trying to take a $200,000 position short, but they only gave me $66,000 short on SRNE. Now that I see this, it probably goes underneath $9, but that's okay. You know, I made a quick, in like 2 or 3 minutes, I made $2,000. So I'm not disappointed. It was just a wallet pattern to kind of lower my P&L loss for the day. I wasn't looking for a huge, move to the downside there. Although we might get it, who knows. Pros and cons to a margin account. Margin account's great if you're looking to trade multiple times per day. Cash account's good under 25,000, but you can only use what's settled, but you can day trade as many times as you want. In margin, you can day trade 3 times per week, but you can only take a buy and a sell intraday only 3 times per week. But you can trade all of your buying power constantly, so you can trade 3 times in one day your full entire buying power. Cash account, you can only trade what's settled, so you can trade it unlimitedly, but you can't use your entire capital. Say if you use $2,000 in your account, use 500, 500, 500, 500. You have to wait 2 days for the rest of that to settle, so on and so forth. With a margin account, $2,000 can be traded again, $2,000, $2,000, $2,000, $2,000 until 3 times per week, so on and so forth. So SRNE, that was an awesome little trade there. Short 965 on that one, and I was out. You can see my average 966.01, 961, 965.01. You can see that, that was a nice little trade there. Kind of wanted to go long on it, but that's okay. I'm just gonna do that quick live trade there. But yeah. Other than that, guys, the rest of the day here, I'll scroll up and down, making sure my. There we go. Sorry, I just don't want my account numbers there. Okay, so There it is on the day of my trade. So basically just a sloppy day nonetheless. Very sloppy. You know, lost about 14 grand today. You know, but that's trading again. I felt very rigid to start the day. I showed that it was rigid to end the day. Just up and down day with VEEV and GNUS. I actually messed up because I was going to get long at 110. I had to chase it. I didn't quite run like I liked. KODK took too much size, lost, stopped out. SPAQ stopped out. GEVO stopped out. Basically, a lot of trades today. You know, just basically, those of you guys who want to look back at my orders, you can go back and look. I'm on YouTube. It'll be uploaded there. You can check that out. Just scrolled up and down there for you guys. But yeah, that's basically it today, guys. I mean, just kind of an up and down day. You know, I traded VEEV with too much size. I'll go over that here. So VEEV, my big long was right here at $1. We had tapped it multiple times. We had multiple lows there at 101, and then we had multiple lows at 102. So I started to feel like we could build higher lows. Once we broke below that, I stopped out. Luckily, because it kept going down. GEVO, I tried playing multiple times today. Just kind of never got an uptrend on that one. KODK, tried to take a trade on, but just kind of wobbly. This would have been a nice little washout long play, but that's okay. SPAQ. This one, I mean, I have a longer term position on SPAQ at 1207 roughly with good share size. This one's one of my biggest positions longer term. Over the past couple of days, I've been paid very, very handsomely on SPAQ. Could someone tell me what an SPAC is? What is an SPAC? I keep seeing that referred. What is an SPAC? GNUS, yeah, I'm looking at a swing trade. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man on YouTube. TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man on YouTube. Again, Cam the Man on YouTube. Special acquisition companies. Okay. So those have been red hot. That's probably why it's running. What other special acquisition companies has been red hot? Do we know? What other special acquisition companies have been hot? Because people have been saying they're hot, but I'm trying to figure that out. Oh, SHLL. Oh, yeah. You're right. LCA. Wow, you're right. Wow, LCA is another one. Isn't NKLA one too? I also thought that SPAQ was electrical vehicle sector. Am I right? Is electrical vehicle sector SPAQ? I thought it was. It's basically an acquisition company that buys EV companies. Wait, you're telling me that SPAQ buys electrical vehicle companies? That's what they focus on? Wow. That's crazy. I really like SPAQ then. If they continue to buy more and more electrical vehicle companies. No, I mean, I knew that Tech Father. I was just double checking because I've seen a lot of people on social media say how it's not, and I had no clue how it wasn't that. But I was trying to see what your guys' opinions were on that. I knew that it was electrical vehicle. I knew that Tesla has been running huge. I love the chart. There's a lot of things going for that. Plus Fisker. I think they're going to partner with, I think it was like BMW or something, and they're waiting to close that out. Oh my gosh, this guy's spamming me on MKLA, VTIQ. Exactly. That's basically it though, guys. What's SPCE doing? Yeah, CRM had nice earnings. Continues to uptrend. Oh, Big C I took a loss on too. Big C I was short with a 93 average. I covered right in there, luckily for about a $9,000 loser. That was my big loss of the day. I tried to cover right in there, but I wasn't able to because my brokerage was acting up. Would have been only like a couple $1,000 loser, if not a winner, honestly. But nonetheless, covered it like right there for about an $8,000 loser, and then this thing keeps running. Why? Because Facebook teams up with Big C for basically partnerships going on. Your insurance company, Kansas City, in the house. Those of you guys who are interested in my free chat room, click the link in the description below. My free chat room on YouTube is in the link in the description below. Check that out. Again, my free chat room where I spend all my time. Link is in the description below. If you're interested in my course that teaches you guys my strategies that helps me be successful over the years, I've had 3 account challenges. My first account challenge, I turned $1,000 into $1 million in 10 months in 1 week. My second one, I used Robinhood to turn it into $1,000. Imagine $1,000, and I turned that initial investment into $600,000 or $700,000 using Robinhood. All those strategies on there. Now I have my third account challenge, which is 1,000 to 5 million. I turned now 1,000 into just under $2.9 million in 181 business days. All those strategies I've condensed onto my course. So if you're interested in my course, Achieving Student Loan, Achieving Student Debt, check that out. If you don't want to pay for anything like that, which is it's now about 21 hours of content. If you're not interested in that, then check out my YouTube. It's 100% free. Go through every video that I've made on my YouTube channel. Also, go to my brokerage, 2 free stocks valued up to $1,900, my scanner software, scanner settings. Check all those out. You guys have any questions on YouTube? First come, first serve. First 3 questions I will answer. I'll put that link there in the top chat. That's, oops. I think the Hawks go 13-3 this year, or if they have a full season, it'll be 13-3. I think. Steve-O, how do you get around PDT? Go to uStockTrade. Again, go to uStockTrade.com. uStockTrade.com. No way are they better. Again, man, I'm wondering how you set up your monitors and keep track of all the tickers. I have a certain setup that I use for my my layout here. I actually have 16 charts. I can send it to you guys. If anybody buys the course today, again, if anybody buys my video series course today, view ZFA King, you have to go to my Instagram bio, click the link, go to products, video series, and make the purchase. If anybody buys my video series course today, I will give you my Thinkorswim charting setup for free. And all I have to do is send you a link, and you can upload it, and literally it'll upload by the time I send it to you, and by the time you upload it, it should take no longer than like a minute or 2 to actually upload and have these charts with this entire setup. Okay, you'll have the time and sales, the level 2, the news, VWAP, because I like to use VWAP. Everything on the screen will be set up in your screen. If you buy the video series course today, I will give you my Thinkorswim setup for free. Okay? So if you buy the video series course today, I'll give you my Thinkorswim setup for free. Only today, though. Alright, guys. Yeah, my chat room's 100% for free as well. I do that for you guys. My YouTube is Cam the Man. Bulls and Sack. I use my YouTube is Cam the Man. Again, Cam the Man. Wildlight, awesome, man. That's awesome. Yeah, I sometimes use pre-market highs. Yeah. Mark Freeman, yes, they're fully verified. I have brokerage statements and all that to prove it. I have it on TraderView. I have it through YouTube. You can see all my time stamps and my time prints. Go through all my YouTube videos. You'll see all through there. Yes, they're fully verified. I have your video series. Can you send me your setup? I'm only doing it to those people who buy my video series course today. If everybody asked for that, it would take me literally days to give that back. So only the people who buy the video series course today end up getting my Thinkorswim platform for free. Because haters don't stop hating. All they are motivators. I don't trade much pre-market now. Appreciate that. Your free Discord channel is a blessing, bro. I learned everyone I follow on Stock Twits in it. LOL. Awesome, man. That makes me happy. That's awesome, awesome stuff. Alright, guys. Check out the links in the description below if you're interested in the free brokerage. 2 free stocks up to $1,400. A lot better than Thinkorswim. Doesn't freeze, all that stuff. Check that out on YouTube. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers, team, and go Hawks.